Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'm showing you how to connect NinjaTrader to Tradingview or vice versa. So guys, when you're dropped into your Tradingview website, of course don't forget to log in. Without the account it's useless to even try. Right after that you go to products and then super charts. Okay, so to open the chart menu and actually see the graphs and everything. And in here guys, go to the trading panel, and in here as you can see we have the possible connections through the trusted brokers. So these are supported by Tradingview, so you can easily connect them. And if you want a NinjaTrader, you can either scroll down and look for it, or you can just pretty much go to the search, type in NinjaTrader, and as you can see you can now log in. We'll add it to favorites too, and now just click on this button. And guys, you have a choice. As you can see we have a NinjaTrader Platinum. So you can either do the demo mode, where you can use paper trading and test yourself out, test the waters, and not trade with the real money, and become more familiar with how to trade on this platform. And if you don't, if you're experienced, you can just go live. After that, you just type in your username, password, and click on connect. After that, your account from NinjaTrader will be connected, and everything from it that should be here will appear in your graphs, in your general interface, and now you're ready to use it. So guys, enjoy. This is pretty much very easy. If you enjoy our tutorials, make sure to like the video to support us and subscribe.